BarProducts is one of the largest online bar suppliers in the world, with an inventory of more than 10,000 products that are managed in 260,000 square feet across 2 warehouse locations. The business, which began with one product in 1995, was experiencing double-digit growth in the past few years. Keeping up with the expanding inventory was a huge task, particularly with the manual pen and paper method.
To remain competitive in the e-commerce world, you have to get each customer their order as quickly as possible with as few errors as possible. In the past, we always used to use pen and paper, and errors would be plentiful. Now with RF Smart, we're able to get the customer the right product as quickly as possible, giving our business the best shot to maintain competitiveness.
BarProducts would track all of their inventory movement on paper. There was no digital trail. Order tickets were printed and picked in no discernible order. They never had an accurate inventory count and real-time visibility. BarProducts partnered with RF Smart to solve this problem. Built in NetSuite, RF Smart provides a user-friendly interface to BarProducts' recent ERP selection. No longer manually receiving, with employees checking in the shipments and manually entering data into NetSuite, BarProducts now uses the built-in scanner on the Zebra TC55 mobile touch computer. For order picking, RF Smart verifies the accuracy of the pick and emits an audible beep to alert an error. Using the Zebra mobile printer, the employees now print labels on demand, wherever and whenever they need them.
The TC55 scanner is the same as a smartphone, except it has an RF scanner on the end that scans the barcodes. It's technology that we weren't accustomed to and never utilized, but we've learned it in a matter of minutes. It has allowed us to track every movement of our inventory throughout the supply chain process.
The company now has an accurate inventory of items by bins that matches with their general ledger.
Errors have greatly decreased since we began using the RF Smart technology. They can pick up to 50 orders at a time. It's great. You don't have to use a pen and paper anymore.
RF Smart gives my business the most clarity in our operations. Without a doubt, it allows me to run my business more efficient and better than ever.